Yes, a household generator inlet must be wired as a service when permanently installed outside and adjacent to the main service panel. National Electrical Code Section 702.4 mandates this requirement. The rationale behind this regulation is to ensure the generator inlet is treated as an integral part of the electrical service, not merely a branch circuit. Service conductors are required to be larger and have a higher insulation rating than branch circuit conductors. Also, they must be protected by a main disconnect or circuit breaker. These stringent requirements are in place to guarantee the generator inlet can safely handle the power generated by the generator, minimizing the risk of fire or electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code specifies several requirements for wiring a household generator inlet as a service. Firstly, conductor size is critical. A minimum of #8 AWG copper wire is mandated. Secondly, insulation is paramount. The insulation must be rated for service use to withstand the potential stresses of the application. Thirdly, conduit is essential. The wiring must be protected by a metal raceway to provide physical protection and grounding continuity. Fourthly, a main disconnect is required. This disconnect must be installed ahead of the generator inlet to allow for complete isolation of the generator during maintenance or emergencies. Fifthly, grounding is critical. The generator inlet must be grounded in accordance with National Electrical Code requirements to provide a safe path for fault currents. In summary, when installing a household generator inlet permanently outside and adjacent to the main service panel, it's imperative to adhere to the National Electrical Code Section 702.4. This means treating the inlet as a service, using appropriately sized and insulated conductors, protecting the wiring with a metal raceway, installing a main disconnect ahead of the inlet, and ensuring proper grounding. Failure to comply with these regulations could result in unsafe conditions, including fire or electrical shock. If the household generator inlet is not permanently installed outside and adjacent to the main service panel, it may be wired as a branch circuit. However, it is still important to ensure that the generator inlet is properly sized and protected for the generator that will be used.